When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
When it comes to choosing a professional carpet cleaning company, who do the carpet stores recommend? When interior designers need professional rug, fine fabric, or hard surface cleaning for their clients, what name do they rely on? The answer is simple: ProCare. Serving Middle Tennessee since 1995, ProCare's state-of-the-art multi-step cleaning systems ensure maximum spot and spill removal without leaving a sticky residue. Our services include carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, Oriental and area rug cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, and finally fiber protector to safeguard your fine furniture and rugs. Visit us today at procareofnashville.com.
When your carpet's in a mess, don't settle for anyone less. Call the company